I just signed up for this tool, and it comes highly recommended from some friends in the WordPress space. It's called Shortpixel, and what it does is it helps you compress images. If you haven't had a lot of experience with this, one thing that happens when you start adding a lot of content to your WordPress sites or your web pages is if you add images, well, a lot of us, including myself, in the interest of time, I just take screenshots and I throw them into the WordPress editor really fast and I just upload them to WordPress. A lot of times these images are huge, and you've probably heard site speed, load speed is a ranking factor. And one thing, probably the most significant thing that contributes to that, to your site load speed, is how long it takes to load images on your site. So it's common sense, really, but I just ignore it a lot because it would be a pain in the butt to go optimize every single image. And so that's where a tool like Shortpixel comes in. It basically will automate that process for you. You can set it up as a plugin on your WordPress blog. And I think their free plan comes with 100 images you can optimize. So that's pretty good to cover most small blogs. I've got a lot more content, so I'm going to get their paid. There will be a link below this video somewhere on the page to my affiliate link. If you're interested in checking it out, you can just try with the free plugin first and see how it goes. And they do have this web interface too if you want to compress one image at a time. So we could try that out real quick. And then you just drag and drop an image on there and it will compress it into whichever compression level you want. Lossy is the one they usually recommend for size and speed. So that'll be the most compressed, but also the lowest quality image. But I still don't even think it's going to be noticeable. Most people these days are reading web pages on their phone. I really don't think that like the exact quality of your images matters unless you're like a photographer. So generally speaking, you just want the fastest image that still looks readable and looks nice. Yeah, I just picked this up. I would highly recommend it. And if you're serious about building lots of sites, and especially authority sites where you're going to be putting a lot of images and stuff, I think a tool like this can really save you a lot of work because it'll just compress the images. As soon as you upload them to your blog, this plugin will catch it and start optimizing it. And their paid plan, I think, starts at $50 a year or something like that. That's for 3,000 images a month. So it's quite a bit. It's really well built and everything. You can definitely tell it's high quality. So I'll be testing it out a lot and I'll let you know, but I just wanted to make you aware of it and see if you're interested. And if you are, then if you would use one of my links below this video as an affiliate, that would be awesome. If not, no worries. Thanks for watching.